I don't know. I don't know if she's in the right mood for filming
It's
today.
just really hot
It's
out.
so humid. Yeah.
And I don't do well in heat.
No. Me neither. Well, I mean, better.
You do.
Yeah.
I don't.
I do better. I wish it was like 74 degrees and like we're literally standing here melting. So we're going to get on the road.
Are you not recording?
I am now.
2.
Leave it up to me to miss the shot. How's your fuel look?
I have about 1/3 of the tank.
All right, I need to get gas.
Okay.
All right. A good old-fashioned breakfast run. Getting a little scruffy. Again. Please see cashier. The most dreaded words when you're fueling up. Uh-oh, she's canceled my credit card.
Do you want this?
Yes, I do. You know, I love the long rides, but I also love just doing a short breakfast run. Nice, easy pace. Not trying to get anywhere. Got my girl with me. You know how it is. Where do you want to go? I don't know. Where do you want to go? Well, where do you want to go? I don't know. Where do you want to go? Well, I have to make an executive decision here. That's a fun road. Barbara's getting hungry. And actually, the correct word would be angry. And we don't want that to happen. So, I'm going to pick a place that's pretty close. Then we'll see what happens. We were going to go a little further west of town, but I think what we need to do is hit the closest spot. And I got a choice between a tiny little diner that's no frills, which we love, or a nice bougie spot where she can get a mimosa. And she did mention a mimosa at another traffic stop. She was talking about going somewhere else. I think she wants a mimosa. That's why she mentioned it, right, ladies? I mean, we got to pick up on these clues. We don't get many clues, but when we do get them, we need to listen. Because the ladies know what they want. But for some reason, they don't just say, hey, I want a mimosa. Let's go to XYZ place. They go, do you want a mimosa? So ladies, instead of saying, do you want a mimosa? Just say, I want a mimosa. Let's go get one. It helps us out. It really does. Me, I don't care. I'll eat anything. Who says we don't have hills in Florida? Right? So in a minute you're going to see this expressway here. And at first everybody was like, oh God, you're going to ruin it, blah, blah, blah. But you know what? It's taking all the traffic off of these back roads and put it on that expressway. And I kind of like that. Well, just a second again. Lake Road, which is also a really nice road. If I made a left here, it goes for several miles. And we're not going to do that though. We're going to go right. Look at that. I got it in second gear. Amazing. Wasn't with me, I'd take it at about 70 miles an hour. But I want her to enjoy the ride too. That's what we do, right? Make it good for both of us. About the only time I can do it. Told me you're about this close to hangry. All right, here we go. She had to get another new phone. And I'll tell you what, with that Can-Am, it is a pain in the ass to pair. Look at this beautiful farmland here. We're on the end of that expressway. Now we're in a town called Mount Dora, Florida. Really nice. You'll see in a minute. We'll go buzz through there. Isn't that nice? Got some nice rolling hills. Problem is, this is all slated for development. And pretty soon, it's going to be houses. Look at that. There's a development right there. Oh well. Alright, I'll see you at breakfast.
At 184 feet above sea level, the town of Mount Dora was founded in the mid-1800s on the shores of Lake Dora, namesake of the area's first settlers. Safe from nosebleeds, the Lakeside Inn was built in the early 1900s and has hosted former Presidents Coolidge and Eisenhower, as well as Henry Ford and Thomas Edison. Keeping in its mid-century early American theme, the town center is about 4 square blocks of antique and gift shops, restaurants, and a few establishments that might dare to stay open past 9 o'clock on a good weekend. And it is Florida, so the guys can wander away from the wives and even find a local gun and knife shop. Famous for being a mecca of weekend craft festivals, Mount Dora is always named in the top 10 weekend getaway towns for Florida residents. Stop by if you get a chance. Hope you enjoyed our little tour of Mount Dora. We love this town. Come in the winter though, because it's too hot right now. Right, honey?
What?
It's too hot right now to come to Mount Dora.
It is too hot to go outside of air conditioning. Just saying.
Go get us a table.
Okay.
Alright. Man, I love her. She's awesome. Highland Street Cafe. They closed down during COVID. I didn't think they were going to make it. They reopened and doing great. Same food, same people. It's awesome. If you're ever in the town of Mount Dora, come check it out. Coffee, water?
Coffee bottle, all right.
I'm that guy that sits in a restaurant with a camera. Ooh, look at this dramatic lighting.
Ooh, I got lines all over my face.
Yes.
Not just in my hair.
Not just in the crow's feet.
Yeah, not in my crow's feet.
She doesn't have to.
Oh, sure I do.
No, she doesn't.
I've earned every wrinkle.
I probably gave her every one.
No, you gave me some.
The boys.
The boys.
Yeah.
The worrying mom.
Yeah. And I'm going to do the eggs Benny, just a regular one.
Traditional Benedict.
Yeah, with potatoes, well done.
The home fries.
Yep.
Alright, so we have
And if they come with onions, even better.
I can add onions.
Yeah, if you want, yeah.
Not a problem if you want.
Okay.
Alright. Perfect, I'll get that right out for you.
Thank you, my dear. Did your Bluetooth work fine?
Yeah, I was listening to Stevie Nicks the entire time.
Yeah, jamming out.
Trying to relax. Check my emails. And nothing in here requesting market analysis.